Hello everyone, thank you for joining today's yoga session. One of our YouTube follower requested us to perform partner yoga. So we thought this weekend will be a great opportunity to perform partner yoga. So in today's yoga session, we are going to perform these 7 yoga asanas with partner. So bring your partner or your friend and let's do the partner yoga. The asanas which we are going to perform in today's yoga session are chair pose, back bend pose, side angle pose, boat pose, seated forward bend, child pose, and relaxing pose. Toward the end of this yoga session, we are going to do the Shanti Mantra chanting as well. So grab your mat along with your partner and let's start today's yoga session. Let's start with chair pose variation. Hold each other's hand and slowly sit down. Now let's bring the one hand out, then bring back. Bring the other hand out and stretch as much as you can. Let's bring the hands back and slowly come up. Now this pose you can do in repetition as many as you want. Now the next pose we are going to do is back bend. So turn back on each other's and hold the hands interlocking each other's hand. One person will bend slowly down and lift other person's body on his back. Slowly bring the down. Now the other partner can bring the other person on his back. Make sure your knees are not too straight, slightly bended is okay. Now bring the other person down. Now let's do the another variation of chair pose. Back to back and then slowly walk forward as much as you can and hold this position for a few seconds. Now walk back slowly, balancing each other and slowly come in standard position. Now turn each other side. From here, let's bring both the hands over the head, each other's opposite leg back, and hold the top hand each other and bring the lower hand on your knees. Side angle pose. You can do the same thing on the other side. Other legs are straight and the hands touching to the thigh muscles. This is called side angle pose. Now let's do the Navasana. For that you have to sit down. Slowly bring the one leg up, chest out. Slowly bring it down. Let's bring the other leg up. Make sure chest out. Slowly bring the leg down. Now both the legs up. Slowly bring one leg first up and then other leg. Chest out and hold this position for a few seconds. Let's bring both the legs down and come into the sit. Now one person will stretch the legs and other person either near to the knee or outside the knee and try to pull hands toward the one person by pushing the legs. This is good stretch for your thigh and other lower muscles. Now the same thing the other person will do. The other partner will be stretch the legs and pull the other partner's body as much as you can. Now slowly come to the seated position. This time back to back. Now one person will sit in the child pose and other person will go on his back. Make sure the legs are straight. So this is very good stretch for your back, especially spine. Now the other partner will sit down in child pose. And the first partner will go on his back and make sure the legs are straight. You can glide your body on your back and stay in this position for a few seconds. Now slowly come back. Now face each other, bring hands over the head. With right hand of one partner, hold the left hand from the back side and look to your back side. Repeat the same step with the other hand. In this case, left hand to the right hand and look back. This is called Sukhasana variation. This is a very good stretch. And the next thing we are going to do is nothing but we are going to chant Shanti Mantra.